hope you can see this alright. I'm roaring through all these steering boxes. The right hand drive one I just put on, the little power pipe that goes around the side had been dropped and it was broken, unfortunately, so I couldn't do anything like that. If anybody got a spare right hand pipe, you know, they're going to throw out, and throw it my way, I'll have it. This is another left hand drive box off the shelf. I'm going to fire it up and I'll show you what's wrong with it. Pay attention to the shaft here. Let's put some pressure on it. I would say that's leaking. Machine's paid back for itself already, look at that. That's exactly what I wanted this machine to do. So what we're going to do is a bodge-tastic idea on this one, because you don't know what it's like. It is a later one. Going to simply try and replace the bottom seal. Now we've done this before. I think I'll put a link up here somewhere and see if we can fix that box. Could do. Who knows? Who knows the secret of these black magic steering box?